did.
All of this is on video too. This is a big club.
Don't talk like
good
that.
to hear you. You hit me.
Anyone tell them to get their own cart?
No.
Did we have a... Oh, thing is right here.
His ETA is 10:25. He should be here now-ish. Filming already?
I'll say Michael and I need to get
This is B-roll. This is B-roll. Guys, we're at the Crystal Spring Golf Club in New Jersey. That's the clubhouse over there.
Yeah.
Check in.
There's some.
This is where the carts are lined up. Parking lot over here.
I need to pace myself, but that sounds like it'll be a good.
Old now? I don't know. I'm like, it's soft, right? I'm 2 shots in, and I think I'm a little bit on the rough, but close to the green, so that's good. There's people over there, Bill over there, and the other crew back there. Kate is it now?
Look how fucking cute.
Oh my God! Look at that!
Yeah. Thanks to my mom.
Wow,
No history.
Yeah,
that is nice. I know.
my mother, Kate.
That is nice. This is
other Kate.
breaking all the
The
golf
other Kate
rules.
in my life. Yeah.
Yeah, 7
Oh, I know how you
Apparently
have
I'm
to
two
get a
different
different. You have to
Kates.
get a different.
Warning.
I was
We have to take one
Wow.
Oh no, but you were taking a picture.
I did. I sent it to her.
Oh, I didn't know. If I looked
Breaking all the rules.
Right now.
8 people teeing up at the same time. Michael, what's that around your waist there,
I
Michael?
could have been in jail right now.
What happened?
Get his son.
Get it thrown out. That'll get in.
Here we go. Come on.
Smile.
Ooh, mine.
I was wearing
No.
a green apple.
I'm glad it's not a Pink Whitney because
Can we actually get everybody?
Oh, we have those too.
Everybody in?
I thought we weren't allowed to have them.
Content.
All right.
This is breaking all the
Are you
golf
filming?
rules.
I'm
Filming
gonna
us?
be in the front.
Hey, Will texted me this weekend.
Is it video? You doing
We
video?
get a picture
Oh,
with
it's
you.
video, so we're all good.
We have to explain that one.
This
Okay.
is
It's not a picture, it's video.
This
I
is
know,
breaking
I don't
all
want
the
to be in front.
All right,
What's up?
Cheers, everyone.
Cheers.
Video
This is
running
breaking
around.
all the rules. 8 people
Golf
playing at the same time. Golf at the same
20,
time.
Oh, that's harsh.
Yeah, it is.
Oh, Keith. That's aggressive.
Oh,
I
Oh my
can't.
God.
I love
Yeah.
lime.
What time is what time in the morning
How
is
you
it?
doing, baby?
What? What am I bringing yours for?
You can do it.
Yeah.
What do you say?
Yeah, this is strong.
Yeah.
But it's cool though. It's cool. It was cool.
Okay.
It was already on ice.
That's a lot.
Yeah.
I give my other half to Bill.
Not only I gotta say, best I give you best
You got the
dress for the
No,
tournament.
Really? Thank you.
Oh, there's the garbage there.
But news is that I'm leading, okay? I want to get even if I end up
Boy,
losing.
look, the polo
I like
matches
it.
the
I love
polo.
it. Yeah, it's
We're
really
like,
nice.
we're in
It's
sync.
really good.
We're
I love
in
it.
sync.
I love it.
Up to you.
Yeah, let them go, Joe.
I know.
So we had a 6-hole par 5. I hit a good shot, so let's see if I could at least par this hole. I'm hoping I could par it. Because I'm on the green. This is a long par 5 though. So let's see if I could par this. So far, not looking good. Are you on the green? So now we're on the we're on the 11th. Yeah, the 11th. So we play 1 round, 9 holes, and then we going back around again. So now we're on the 11th. We switched pairs, so I'm with Michael. My partner is with Natalie, and these ladies asked us to play through, so we let them. We tell them okay they could play through because we played at the 4-some, so we're going a little slower, and they're 2-some. So this is Crystal Spring, and it's a pretty nice day. It's not that hot. It's pretty nice. It's that sun is not crazy. But today it's nice. It's still technically still summer. So it's good. It's Michael over there in the trap. These ladies are playing through. And this golf course, a lot of people live on it as well. So you have nice different type of houses here. Range from like, I don't know the price, but the last time we checked, some of these houses are in the 700, 800,000 bracket. And then some are like less expensive ones are on the other side, like on the ninth hole. You see some less expensive one over there, but these look like the most expensive type. And of course, they have like condos, and probably up there is hotel as well. Up to the clubhouse type. Up to the clubhouse, the hotel is over there as well. And these ladies look pretty good.
What?
So I don't know where my ball is. Probably have to go drop because I don't know. I didn't see when it came down, so it's probably somewhere in the bushes. Or it could be one of those up there. You can't find your balls? Michael, can't find your balls?
I'm in the labia.
Oh, the labia, okay.
Got it.
Okay. Nice. Do a backflip.
No.
Head top.
Broken necks.
Head top. Oh, look, look. Oh, wow. Keep with you. Keep beat you, man. Michael, you can't keep up.
Glasses.
Keith is good at that, man. You're good at that, yes. Perfect.
I feel like
I got two.
I'm too scared to go all the way up because I feel like I'm gonna fall.
One more time. I got you.
I gotta breathe.
Breathe out. I got you. I got you.
Perfect. Oh, nice. Oh, nice.
I was trying to like roll down.
Click your feet together. That's
At the
all I
top?
need. Yeah. Like this? So then they're together. No,
I was trying to
just
roll
at the
down,
top.
but I couldn't do it.
I'm not gonna really.
Hold on to it, Michael.
Yeah, just hold it.
Michael, hold on to it, man.
Fucking.
Yeah, I promise. Just do the picture. We gotta
Michael,
hold
who
it.
would you trust to hit that ball?
This one.
We go way back.
Or quads.
Oh,
Come on,
He's
quads.
calling Natalie quad.
Hold on to it, Michael.
And I think it's an
Come on.
insult.
quad?
You gotta put it in.
Yeah.
Hold on to it,
No, it's a
Michael.
quad.
Put your lips around.
Bite down on it.
No, he's saying
Bite down on it, Michael. Don't let it move.
Because he calls her hamstrings and then he's calling me quads. So
All
I
right,
think it's an
quads.
insult 'cause I
Okay, stop.
Alright.
Bite it. Bite
All
it.
right, bite it. Bite it. You
Hold
can't
it,
talk,
hold it.
Michael. Don't talk.
Stop
Up.
right
Yeah.
Ew.
You have to hold the
He told me it's
I
not an
know.
insult, but I
You have to use your
really
lips.
feel
Don't talk, Michael. Don't talk. Don't
You have to
talk.
call him out on that.
You're like your butthole.
Don't talk.
Doing.
He's talking.
All of this is on video too. This is a big club.
Don't
No,
talk. Michael, don't talk.
Kate, you better be accurate.
He can't get it.
A closed fish don't get caught. A fish with a closed mouth don't get caught, Michael. Close your mouth.
Yeah.
He's suggested
I can't do that. Will.
Close your lips.
Close your lips,
Close
man.
your lips.
Okay. Kate.
I know you will, but just close your
Like
lips.
your lips around it, Michael.
But think of the views you're gonna get
Yes.
on the Oral Denton
I'll
app.
send it to you for your Instagram, Michael.
He's too drunk to hold the ball.
Consider it as a vape, like you're vaping.
This is pretend.
No, the ball have to
We
be
need a better
there.
tee. We need a better tee.
It's not, you think it's the tea. You
It's
think
the tea,
our
it's the
problem
tea.
here is
Here's the problem.
All right,
all right.
We need like a cone. We need like a
Okay, I'll
traffic cone.
swallow it deeper.
No, don't swallow the tea. No. No.
I got it.
Take the bottle.
Oh, look at
That
that.
is
Yeah,
better.
that's
That's
better.
better.
Yes, that's better.
You're right, you're actually
Came
right.
up with- Keith actually came up with something.
Yes,
out of your
that's
mouth.
good. Do that, Michael. Look at Natalie observing. What's going on?
Can you hold
Proper.
it?
Michael, don't laugh,
That's
man.
what I'm saying.
Can't.
Stop laughing, dude.
Shit face.
He's laughing.
I'm done. We tried. I'm done.
Open your mouth. Open your mouth. Open your mouth. Oh, it's okay. Let it go. All right. It's not possible.
And it failed.
Stop.
Michael is laughing too much.
He's still gonna try.
Here you go.
Keith, you do it. Go. He doesn't trust me. You go.
Oh, it's
He's trying to tee now. He's
No,
trying to tee.
Michael,
You're-
of everyone here, who would you trust to tee off a ball
No,
from your mouth?
you got the wrong
Well, he
angle.
can't talk now.
Don't move your head,
All right, it's
Michael.
not possible.
You need a straight jacket.
Oh, it's almost got it. Go a little this way. I'm like a dentist. Hold
I
on.
got it.
Go, put your head back. Back this way. Put your chin
Forward.
down. Chin down.
Chin forward.
We're saving this for
Chin
some
up,
time.
Yeah,
chin
I'm
up.
gonna say exactly.
We're gonna sit together.
Up,
We're gonna
up,
make
up a little
a video of this. I'm like a dentist.
It's not possible. It's not possible.
This thing
It's
happens.
just not possible.
Oh, so tee off on his stomach. Put the beer can on his stomach
You
and
guys
put the ball
can't
on the
do
beer
it.
can.
I came to the same conclusion. I came to the same
Come here.
conclusion.
Come here.
You still want to do it. You still want to do it.
We're 43 minutes slow.
I know. See how the
Kate, I
Yeah.
think you could do this. Look. Look at that. You could do it like so.
So you want to put the tape his belly button?
Yeah. Put, put the feet.
flip over and put it in his bowl.
Put it right here.
Come
look,
here.
Look how
Come
Kate
here.
doing it.
Come here.
Look how Kate doing it. Look at that. Look at that.
Okay,
Holy
so-
shit.
Good stuff.
Give me your head.
Okay, ready? Can I really hit it?
No, give me your hand.
No.
Look at that. Oh, Kate got it.
You fart.
No, she hit the ball. She hit it. She hit it. Michael, I see Kate beat you, man. Look at that. Kate beat you at that, man.
Alright.
Good thing it was a softball.
Oh, shit.
Look at Kate.
Yeah, good thing you're the softball.
Kate lay down and get that done in
Whoa.
in 1 second.
No, it's the tee. It's the tee. It's a little. It's
Oh
beveled. You
my
see?
god.
Look at that, Michael. In 1 second, Kate got it done. 1 second.
He's
Yeah,
better
this is
all
better
than
tee.
me.
Better tee. Here, try it. Better tee.
You're better in the hole.
That's what you say. I feel bad for Natalie. She thinks this is corporate America.
So Keith's better in the
Joe,
hole.
go hit. Joe, go.
Yeah.
Joe, go.
I'm not hitting.
Wait,
Oh,
no.
here.
Oh,
It's
my
not like everybody.
Wait.
Huh?
I just wanted a picture.
We're still here.
Oh.
Oh, that's good. It goes in his eye.
Mm,
The eyeball.
All right. Should we play a little golf?
I'm gonna play. I'm gonna
We're
tee off.
still here.
I know we had this all for like a half an hour, man.
shit.
No one.
And show it doesn't work.
So this concludes the golfing adventure. We at the
See if you go on
back at the 18 hole now. Still some daylight out, but we're gonna get some dinner and then head back to New York. It's currently in New Jersey. So, but it's not far from New York, probably where we had from where I live, like 70 miles. So yeah. So this is the condo section here.
Hey,
That's
Lenore.
condo houses. So thanks for checking in. See you next time. Bye bye. What the hell Joe leave his phone? People coming in, all the carts, a lot of golf carts coming in.
Thank you for watching our show. Please subscribe and see you next time. Bye.
Sit higher,
That's enough videos.